Yes, honey. Oh, you know, just sipping all my tea, me blends tea. That's all. That's all. So I'm going to be starting. What I feel like something. Okay, fine. So I'm going to be doing my brows with my mechanic pencil, my black opal mechanic pencil, and this is in the color coffee bean. Just drawing on the shape that I want to have. Then I'm going to clean my brows using black opal's Toast Flawless Concealer. This is their lipstick concealer. Sorry, that's the lipstick concealer, and I love it for doing my brows and also for doing all over highlight. And as usual, now we go up on the bottom, then we go spin the top, and we just structure our brows, or which part we want them to go. And at this point, I was like, I don't know if I'm, every time I do my brows, I do something different. Every single time. I just don't like when my brows are one shape. Oh, honey, this Smashbox Primer Water is legitimate. You see how dark my skin is? My face is darker than the rest of my body. And then my hand is darker than the rest of my body. See how dark my face looks? I don't know what's going on with my skin's lace. But yeah, so that's my Smashbox Primer Water. And then my Sasha Camouflage Foundation, which is Bay. The contacts I'm wearing are by Pinky Paradise. And this is their Gemini series. And this color is called Gray. I want to look at this side. This contact is like $11. I was like, $11 for a contact lens? That's pretty cheap. But yeah, so now I'm just blending out using my flat top brush from my La Classique Trinite collection. Was at Fontana Pharmacy. It's currently sold out, but don't worry, we're gonna have new stock soon. Not of this set, but a full set with eye brushes and face brushes, so we'll be getting those in stock shortly. So yes, I'm just blending out my Sasha Camouflage Foundation, and I just have some dots all over my face, but I'm telling you, a little goes along with this foundation. The lashes I'm wearing by the way are my cluster lashes that I applied myself, just saying, and I have a video on how I did those. This is Fawn from LA Pro Conceal in Fawn from LA Girl. So that's what I used to do my highlights, and I'm blending out using my beauty blender. I've really missed blending out using my beauty blender. It just makes everything so seamless, and because it's also a sponge, it's soaking up any excess product that may be there, and I'm here for it. I am legitimately here for it. So I don't know if you can tell, but over my brows, I just placed a little bit of the fawn over there as well, so that when I'm blending out, everything blends out nicely and seamlessly. Alright, moving on. Next, I'm going to be moving on to my Shades by Gal contour palette. And before I set everything with powder, I'm going in with my contour palette, so that when I set it with powder, you can see like just a shadow of my low light, rather than just the low light sitting on top of the powder. So that's what I typically like to do now. So now I'm going to go in with my Ben Nye banana powder, and I'll be placing this everywhere that I placed fawn. So I'm just setting everywhere I placed fawn. You know, the usual. But I'm going to leave this clip running because, you know, I have some new subscribers, which hi to all my new subscribers. Oh, that brush I'm using, by the way, is by Marc Jacobs, and it's his Face 2 brush. I learned about it through, what's her face again? Oh my god. Infamous. Time the Infamous. Alright, so I'm good with my Black Opal True Color in 700 Deep. I'm in love with this pressed powder. It is absolutely gorge amazing. So I'm still using the same brush that I use, my Marc Jacobs. And I always use the same brushes for my highlight to set everywhere on my face. So I would go in with my lighter color like a banana powder, or like if someone's going to like with banana powder, and then I go in with my brush again, same brush, and I do my all over face powder. I don't know, I just don't like to switch up brushes because ain't nobody got time to be washing all them brushes, honey. Ain't nobody got time, boo. Alright, so next I'm going in with my dark pressed dark oil absorbing powder from Black Opal. This thing is a really good dupe for the Laura Mercier dark powder. I'm just saying, man, you can try it if you want to, but I was just saying, it is litified. It is lititious. Alright, so I'm placing that everywhere, just setting and just to bring some more color to my face. Everywhere I put my Ben Nye, I'm just putting it there. Then I'm going with my Ben Nye, and I'm actually going to take my Ben Nye to set my brow bone. I've been doing this for a really long time now, using my Ben Nye to set my brow bone area. I like how it looks, and sometimes I feather it down all over my eyes. But for this time, I'm just using it to set my brow bone. Alright. Yep. Still setting my brow bone there. Just setting. Okay, there we go. So I'm going with my Saharan palette, which, by the way, if you're going to buy a Saharan palette, please use the code FUMI, F-U-M-I, F as in fire. So F-U-M-I, if you're going to buy anything at all on Juvia's Place website, you can save some coins and support my girl Fumi Desiluful. So from this point onward, the tutorial is quite self-explanatory. So, oh no, this is my LA Pro Primer in Nude. This is going to cause my eyeshadows not to crease, as well as have them come up a bit more pigmented. It's kind of similar to the, you know, the NYX Milk eyeshadow base. That, yeah, similar to that, but it's just this version is just cheaper, and I love this one more because I use it so often. But yeah.
God bless. Praising God. I am wide AJ. We're praising God. Even the answer we don't need no conversation. We're praising God. All of the ones for the Lord Jesus Christ. Praising God. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna lead them. In the sky we're praising God. Tell them so we gonna lead. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them all we wanna wait. Lord will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them all we wanna wait. God will protect me. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where lead like a fast car, speed like a NASCAR. Yes I am a real African star. So me ask them what me stopping one car. Them they want see me up in that car. I'm with the bike pull over me stop in that car. It's like them want see me back in that car. And I squander every cent for me have. But in a life you know say me top in that car. Them watching the news we see that him got scar. And they be no disappointed just because me anointed. Them see that him got far. Tell them the amazing God. In the sky we be raising God. Every day you know we praising God. We don't praise Satan cause like say mother raising God. So we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them how we wanna wait. Lord will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them how we wanna wait. God will protect me. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where God of the solid rock and yes me I go stay on it. Anytime when you check you know me there on it. Right before me got me bed before me lay on it. Me go down on my knees and you me pray on it. No me not take the Lord praise and be satanic. Why? Cause me no evil me no satanic. On the broad road no me not go straight on it. Check the number road and you see the AJ on it. Cause when they not give me one heap of taste and one heap of trial, he bless me and me get A on it. Once upon a time I was a shy guy on stage, but now we might tell me what we say on it. Cause you are the potter, so watch out, mold me life like say me have clay on it. Lord show me what is real love, and me can't walk away from it. Tell them so we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them how we wanna wait. Lord will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them how we wanna wait. God will protect me. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where lead like a fast car, speed like a NASCAR. Yes I am a real African star. So me ask them what me stopping what for them.
Yeah. So still safe. What a bowlers. Controllers.
Yeah, me a say now. Hey. Christian life it's the hardest. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. Even now me make a this a place I know me hardest. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. When me touch the street me and go say nobody can this. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. Father me shield and me banana can this. but me a save like a artist. Everybody who dey on the street and on the corner ready. The Lord himself he born again, although you born already. Satan him a look for me, but tell him say me gone already. Inna me shield of faith and dress up and me got my armor ready. Father God him carry me through the storm already. This is a spiritual warfare. Up on this mission already. Satan and him army them a get this arm already. Bomb already. It's like say me holding a Osama Medi. Me no care if blue I step I use that in him song already. Man a devil killer devil I forget killer for me show. If him show up on me show and me perform already. This is a Armageddon when them gone a bed and grandma trap the wake up shock. One of them all I think I done already. Christian life it a the hardest. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. Even now me make a this a place I know me hardest. Hey yo, me a stay safe like a artist. When me touch the road me nah go say nobody can this. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. Lord of me shield and me banana goddess. Oh me a stay safe like a hard. Hey, Christian life it a the hardest. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. Even now me make a this a place I know me hardest. Oh me a stay safe. Them say a Christian you are not, so you cannot be an avanat. Watch how me a step on some carnot, cause some of them heart dirtier than Kiamat. Them say them save like a hard disk. Some of them fi cat that go format, or some harlot. Show up a heavy show and me perform at. Cause them see me park up in a the car lot. One give me your number fi call back. Say she want come chill out bill and all that. But I and I me living fi Christ, cause him dead for me. And me know say them nail what them run through him format. Lord them a show up where I'm at. Man a step up in a life cool warm at. We a boy lot. Jesus make me high like a pilot. All who a exalt themselves, them salt like they married to the guy lot. When me say me a stay safe, me no mean me a save up for buy lot. Me a stay safe like a artist. You know what I mean? Heaven on my place, this earth, and me on this. Me a stay safe like a artist. And when me touching on the street, me not gonna say nobody can this. That's why I say God bless, regardless. Devil is a liar. Oh, so we both are fire. How we praise the Messiah. How you wanna know? Satan no pump and a pet up. Tell him say do you must know is a set up. He will tell you about sun and shine when a rain a fall and he make you get better. Make you work, gamble and bet up. Lose all the money and a gun you go take up. Make police come lock you behind bars. In a prison you check up. Sorry story no something me a make up. Can't sit down for the Lord me a fi get up. And I'm a doctor for me just man. So me no visit doctor fi no check up. By you Jesus if you take up. If you don't have the Lord your life wreck up. And even if you left Jesus Christ right now, come back right now and come make up. Devil you know fi follow. In a sin you know fi wallow. No, no, oh, oh, oh. Hey, devil you know fi follow. In a sin you know fi wallow. No, no, oh, oh, oh. If you never give your water, no drink it. If him come in your thoughts, don't think it. Him want your life dark like a tinted. And him see your ship and him want sink it. So send up your praise I like a blimp it. Open your eyes and don't blink it. And send up all of the praise to the Most High, cause him higher than every other God. All when him sit, him love sweet like a drink sit. Connect to the Lord like a link sit. A straight fire me a bun pan the devil. When the song a done me a go give fire link sit. Oh your riches in heaven like a bring sit. Try stand up on the throne where the king sit. Make sure you have a clean and pure heart. Like say you wash on your